Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find the flight status option in the AerLingus application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, there are two places where you can find the flight status option. One of the places is actually the home page. You can see the fourth option here being the flight status option, and the second place is in the top of your left corner. You can see these three lines, and here in the list you will find the flight status option. Once again, press on it, and there are two ways that you can check your flight status, either by the city or by flight number. Now in the flight number you just write in the flight number basically and the flight date, and after that you just check flight status, and if the information that is provided by you is correct, it will give you the specific flight. Now in my case it is all random, so it's obviously not going to give me a flight. Now the other option is by city. Select the origin where you the place basically where you traveled from, and the destination and the flight date. And again, you have to press the check flight status option at the bottom of your screen, and if the information is correct that you have provided, the flight will be shown and the status will be also shown there. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.